What up, guys? It's your boy Henry Blancs here, and today we're gonna be going over our second slime review. So I have three slimes that I will be showing you guys today. So first we're gonna look into this foam slime. I have not played with this in like a month or so, so yeah, I'm just gonna mix it up right now. So all the foam beads are stuck to the slime, not the weird outer layer that it is connected to right now. So mixing that. Ugh. Weird. Right. Whoa. Sorry. Okay. Jeez. This is a mess. I'm gonna be right back and get some activator. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the slime now. I added the activator. So as you can see, there's white foam beads with a white base, and it's our right slime. It's not really good, but it's good. So I'm just gonna collect up the mess, and I will see you guys with the next slime. Bye. Okay, so we have the next slime here. This is a cloud slime with foam beads in it. I kind of ruined it with the foam beads, but yeah. I like it. It is orange color with white beads, and it's good. It's alright cloud slime. It doesn't have that good of a drizzle, but it is pretty good. And I will move on to the next slime. Okay, so here's the next one. This is kind of actually ice cream. That's why I have this container to show you guys right there. So I'm gonna take it out of the container. I personally love this slime. It is a really nice slime, and it is a good consistency, and just personally like the slime. I think I might add a little more activator after this video. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment in the section down below if you want to see any more slime reviews, because this is probably going to be my last unless one of you guys wants to see more. So let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.